see this. Hey, you can't talk to me anyhow. Please, what do you have to say, huh? I can't hear. Just louder. Thought as much. Nothing. And that's on what? That's on period.
Westside chilling with the guys, make a killing. I put mine on the relationship with hers on my feelings.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this face on your screen, I am Lolovonss and you are welcome. I make natural hair, beauty and lifestyle content. If you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell beside so you're notified each time I post a new video. If you would love to see how I achieve this this lovely purple look on my natural hair without damage, without breakage, very temporary, make sure you stay tuned to the video and watch from beginning to end. Thank you. So this is how my hair was before the dye. I don't have any clip of my entire hair being black, so this is how it looked before I used the color dye. Very nice. And if you're wondering why I don't have any clip of my entire hair being black, just keep on watching, you'll find out. So I know I've gone very far in this coloring process, and actually something really annoying happened to me. I've been recording since for like almost an hour, and I didn't know that my phone was not recording. So all that footage, everything is gone, but it's fine. We move, okay? I'm just going to show you guys how I do this whole section, because I wasn't even going to put the whole thing, but it's just annoying that the beginning part, my first reaction putting the color wax on my hair was not filmed. But it's fine, we move, okay? We move. So I'm using this can you see it? Yeah, I know it's like written backwards, but it's a beautifuennada color wax in the color purple. This purple lover, I got it from their page on Instagram. I'll link everything in the description box, their page, if you want to order from there. And then why I like this is because it's very easy, like very convenient, no commitment. I can just look at this hair and say, oh, I don't like it anymore. Tomorrow I can go and shampoo my hair and everything will go away. No damage, no chemical, no breakage. It's just like, it's like a leave-in conditioner, like a colored leave-in conditioner, which is, I mean, works fine with me, really. So if my hair is already moisturized, I used leave-in and everything yesterday. So I'm just spritzing it with this hydrating hair spritz from my aphrodisiac. I'll link everything in the description box if you want to order from there. This has rosemary, yang yang, hibiscus. It's basically like water and some other really nice stuff for your hair. So, yeah. I'm excited. And I didn't want to go like all out with the color. I didn't want to start from my roots because I did not know how that would look having like purple hair for my roots. So step by step, I'm doing an ombre-ish look today. Ombre, yeah. Then maybe I'll try coloring everything in my hair. And then I wanted to get either this or Koffee gel, but I don't know why I just changed my mind last minute. If you're in Nigeria, you know Koffee, they're very popular here. I'll try that if I love the results I get from this. Just look at this. Look. Purple hair. Who this? Not even this phone can kill my joy, because I've been excited since filming this video. For the first time I opened it, because I opened everything on camera, because I've had it since May and I didn't use it, waiting to film, and now I'm filming. Clips are getting missing. No, not possible. Can't steal my joy. Satan, you can't steal my what? You can't steal my joy. Hey guys, so I just wanted to explain some things I did. I just used a leave-in conditioner before I put in the color wax. You can definitely use in gel to, if you want to define your curls, you can use a curl activator cream. You can put in anything you normally do, and you can also braid your hair instead of twisting. But I don't like braiding my hair because it always takes time to loosen it, so that's why I twisted it up. Then also, I didn't really do anything special. I just applied it to my hair, and you can see that it applies very easily to the hair. It's quite pigmented. It also goes off easily too, so there's no much technique required to apply the color wax to your hair. Just wanted to come and say that. Yeah, I'm excited. Like, just see this. Hey, you can't talk to me anyhow. Please, what do you have to say, huh? I can't hear. Just louder. Talk as much. Nothing. And that's on what? That's on period. No, purple hair. Hey. And if you're watching this video so far and you've not liked, you've not subscribed, nothing, you're just watching for free, enjoying yourself, why would you do that to me? Why would you do that to yourself? Why? Please consider subscribing to this. Subscribe to this video and like it, please. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking. I appreciate it because it's heartbreaking. I've been filming for over an hour and then I realized, boom, it wasn't recording. It wasn't recording, and you don't want to like the video after everything. Please, okay? FYI, I would advise you use a clarifying shampoo when you want to wash your hair after using this color wax. So maybe a shampoo that has sulfate or like black soap type of shampoo, so you can really cleanse your strands. Just wanted to say that. Okay, I'm done. This is so pretty. I'm really loving it actually. Like, this is so cute. I don't even know when I'm going to move this twist. I'll probably reduce the back because I did the back really large because I know to waste time. So I'll probably reduce the back. I'll take that maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow and we'll see the result. I'm really excited. I want to see if it's going to transfer to my pillowcase, to my satin scarf, or how it's going to be in general. I just want to check it out, so stay tuned for that. Okay, it's been 2 days now. I've had this color in my hair, and if you can see, if you notice, like the color is not as bright as it was the first day, because you know the color wax is kind of wet. It's actually wet, not even kind of, it's wet. So now it has dried. This is how the color is. You can barely even see that I have purple in my hair. So I banded it up and like to stretch it so it won't shrink up. I'm not going to loosen this, and we'll see how this whole color wax thing turns out. Okay, I think I can see the color better now. So you can see touching it, some of the color is smudging to my hand. Then I just wanted to say that when I slept, like I used a satin scarf to cover my hair at night, and it did not transfer to the satin scarf, it did not transfer to my pillow. So just to say that doesn't exactly transfer. But if you're touching it and like maybe when rubbing clothes against it, maybe to transfer, because it's transferring to my finger right now. So I'm excited. Let's loosen this and see how it looks. Damn, see it. This is cute. This is really nice. Especially if you like want to do something, maybe like you're an actress or you're a model and you want to do like a role or create like a certain concept and don't want to actually dye your hair permanently, this is so easy, no damage, and once you're done you can just go and wash it off and you're back to your normal hair. Okay, I must say this thing is flaking. Like, I don't know if you can see my blouse and the table, like there are flakes, purple flakes everywhere. So you might want to wear something to cover your body, or just take note of the fact that it's going to flake when you're taking it out. And maybe not wear a very fine top that you like so much, or don't wear white. Do not wear white when you have this color because it's flaking. So just know that you're going to have flakes on your blouse. I feel like I look like a character in Descendants, or what's that other one? You see Descendants that they have different colors of hair. That's China, McLean is in, Cameron Boyce was in, some other people. I think it's Descendants. If I find the picture, I think it's even China McLean. Somebody has purple hair, but I don't think it's purple natural hair or purple fussy hair. I will insert a picture if I can find the picture. I will insert it here or here somewhere. So I'll put a picture because it's giving me Descendants vibes. They usually have colored hair. Okay, I'm done taking everything out. Now I have to decide how I want to style this hair because I really don't know what I'm going to do because it looks crazy like this, but it's kind of cute. It's cute. Actually, looks crazy like this. Okay, I think I'll just do a high puff because that's really simple, right? Should I do something difficult? Not difficult, something a little bit more complicated, because high puff is like, high puff is high puff. Let me do something. My front hair is too long, so like the bangs are in my face, like covering my eyes off, but I still think it's cute. So long hair struggles, like you can't relate. You just can't relate if your hair is not this long. I'm sorry, maybe next time. But anywho, this is the final look. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know my hand looks purple, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked seeing me change the color of my hair because I'm really loving this. And thank you so much for watching actually. So make sure you comment your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video, you know how we do. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Share this link, share it everywhere. Video, take a screenshot, post it on your Instagram story and tag me so I can repost you. Thank you so much for watching this. And if you watch to this point, we are commenting hibiscus today. Hibiscus, because like purple hibiscus, you know what I mean. So if you watch to the end, comment hibiscus. I really love you guys so much. I appreciate everyone that has been supporting me so far. I love you guys with all of my heart. So we see you again. Bye.